So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a vlog over like right now until like the end of Thursday because we're getting a new puppy. Because we had to put our old dog down, which is really sad, but it was better that way. So we're gonna go drive up about 8 hours. It's 8 hours to get there, but we're driving up 5 hours in a couple hours, and then gonna sleep at a hotel and then drive the next hours tomorrow. And we'll get the puppy tomorrow and then come home tomorrow. So that's our plan. Like, this is really bad lighting. I think I'm just gonna end my little packing thing here because I pretty much, it's not like a whole bunch of stuff. But whenever we are leaving, I will let you know. Okay, so I'll be back. We're also bringing him. We're staying in a pet-friendly hotel so he can meet his new sissy. He leaves in awkward situations. Back. Hey, Brady. Are you excited to meet your new sissy? Are you excited? Yeah.
Hurry up. It's in there. Go get my phone.
So aggressive.
I look like a Boston Terrier too.
I got my pillow.
Juicy. Oh! Don't open the door yet. Don't open the door.
Was Brady in there?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where
he
is
knows
he?
when it's always time to go.
Oh,
Brady.
so excited. We're just about leaving.
Let me be on the vlog.
We're just about leaving, so oh, look how cute.
Let me see. Let me see.
So I will get with you guys whenever we get somewhere interesting.
It's in the back. Put it in there for earlier.
So your thoughts on getting a new dog?
Well, I don't really want to drive 8 hours.
My turn.
That's my thoughts. By the way, I'm Myrtle, the turtle.
Thoughts on getting a new dog?
I don't know. It's just I like road trips and I like red Boston Terriers.
She likes road trips, but in about 30 minutes, I'm almost.
I'm not like that
If your
anymore.
shirts shrink.
That was only when I'm 5.
You just put all my shirts in the
You
dryer.
think I'm gonna leave them in the washer for 2 days?
Yes.
You know how disgusting that will be?
Not that disgusting.
This is me when people have food around me. He's like, feed me, feed me.
Alright, you don't have to record me.
Trash, 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 trash.
What are those?
Brush your teeth. Now.
Hey guys, so it is currently the next morning.
It is
I didn't
8:51.
vlog last night because we got here like super late and we were all tired and I needed to shower. So here we are. I'm tired.
Puppy.
So today's the day we're getting the dog. I look so bad.
You look so fine. You look fine.
But anyway. Yeah. So whenever we do something
You almost kicked me in the face.
Sorry. Outfit of the day. Got my Birkenstocks on. Ready to win life.
too. Yeah, totally.
Update us, G. So we're leaving the hotel.
Yep, we're leaving for another 3-hour trip.
3 hours and 53 minutes.
Can you see yourself? How many? How long?
3:53.
3:53. Yay. It'll be worth it though. Once we get there, you know.
We're gonna be there at 3:53?
No.
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 I don't get it.
12:30.
3 hours and 55 minutes. Okay?
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh,
I
1
just
o'clock.
dropped my thing.
Practically 4 hours.
I'll catch up with you guys later. Gee, you're supposed to keep doing it. You didn't even know the words.
Ready?
Okay guys, so we just went to the bathroom and we have about an hour and a half left. So we'll be there soon.
We're gonna go west, right?
It takes forever.
It's kind of going by fast for me. 'Cause I'm
Yeah, I
excited.
guess. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's going by pretty fast.
And plus I'm watching movies, so on my phone.
Yeah. So we'll be there soon enough. When we get there, I'll show you the puppy and everything.
She's so cute.
Wait.
Look, Rocket Brady. So cute. Okay, go say hi to the camera, Brady. Say hi.
We have 18 minutes. Probably not like 16 minutes. Oh, I'm so excited.
I'm the most excited.
You're kidding. No.
Nice, big ol' challenge.
I'll have to get that later.
Brady, come down.
This is just Purina One puppy.
Look at her. Wait, show her on the
And
camera.
so if you change it, here's just some puppy pads.
Brady's like,
Makes
wait,
you need
who's
'em.
this?
If you change, you know
Brady's
the
like,
drill.
although I know
Mix
she's
little
just a
bit,
visitor.
Right. In over a period of time. If you're going to change it or something. Okay.
She's so tight. So cute. She just took a cute deep breath.
And Brady's freaking out over here. He's like, let me touch her. Let me kiss her.
Let me smell her. Oh.
What?
Oh, so cute. Oh. Here's that pose for the camera. Nice.
That's where we just worked.
What do you smell?
No.
I don't even know where the cheese is in here.
Maybe later.
Where the heck is the cheese?
You didn't eat it all? Are you full?
I think she might see herself.
She's like, whoa, what is this?
Why, can you not eat it all?
What team are you on, Laurel or Yanni?
Well, I heard Laurel once, and then I heard Yanni, so I think I'm on Yanni. I heard Yanni most of the time.
On Laurel or
Right,
Yanni?
Laurel.
Laurel?
He's just like Laurel.
Team are you on, Laurel or Yanni?
Laurel.
What team are you on, Laurel or Yanni?
Yanni.